Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans and I am here with another plan with me, and this week we are going to be planning the week of October 14th through the 20th with a kit from Sweet Bean Plans. And with that, let's go ahead and get started. So the kit I have here is from Sweet Bean Plans, and Sweet Bean Plans is a shop based out of Florida. It's owned by a local planner girl, Aixa, and I absolutely love her kits. All of her stuff is hand-drawn, custom. She comes up with it on her own, and they are truly so adorable and clever and just really unique, and I absolutely love her shop, and I love that I get to support a Florida shop as well. So this kit here is basically just like a pumpkin kit, and it's got a bunch of full boxes that are really cute, and then this like double full box here. For the kit I got these checklists and heart checklists. Over here we've got day covers, some glitter, like washi kind of strips, the weekly planner sticker, and then some washi here. And it says "You are the pumpkin to my spice," which is adorable. And then there's a ton of functional stickers that come along with this one too. So a bunch of headers and labels, event size stickers, and then some half boxes, some quarter boxes, some icons, and some little like script words, and then like a weekend banner. And I can't remember if this is the full kit or not. I bought this quite a while ago. I think I bought this during the Wild collab sale or sometime around then, so it's been a little while, and I just can't remember if this is the whole kit or not, but I know she does give you options, and so I really like shopping with her, and that's the kit I'm going to be using this week. So with that, let's go ahead and put these date covers down. Okay, so date covers are down, and you might be noticing that I have nails. I normally do not have nails. That's not really my thing. It's not something that I feel like is worth the value to spend money on, just for me personally. That's my particular opinion. That's not to say that I never do it, but it's not something that I'd spend a whole lot of money on. So I am trying out these impress nails that I got from Ulta, because I'm going to a wedding this weekend. So I'm basically just trying to try them out and see how I like them. They're very different for me on a number of levels, because they are very long, and I'm not really like, whenever I get my nails done, whatever the current length of my nails are is the length that they get done at, and they're kind of like the rounded pointy tips, and I'm usually like more of a square type, so this is a lot for me right now. So I'm trying to figure out if I like it or not, but figured they would at least look nice in the plan with me part of my day. So if in a couple hours from now I really still hate them, I'll take them off, but I figured I should try it out, try writing with it and everything like that, and see how I feel about it first. So that's what the nails are about. Let me see if I can find my white out. I feel like this sticker is crooked, but whatever. So you out of the way. Let's start with, this is going to be my meal planner, but I don't have my meal plan figured out just yet, so I'll fill it in after this video. Can write better than I thought I'd be able to with these nails, so that's a little bit encouraging. I've got my list pad here. So Monday, it is our new manager's first day, and there is a lot of pink going on over here, but I'm rolling with it. Sorry, I think that was my printer in the background. I think I mentioned in my most recent plan with me that assistant managers like rotate in our organization. So we are getting a new assistant manager. She is starting on Monday. And do I have something like cute to mark that with? Let me just write it down first. And then maybe I can find like a munchkin or something. Tuesday evening I have plans. There is a Florida Public Relations Association mixer ahead of membership renewals coming due. So I'll be going to that and bringing a friend who is considering joining. And Friday is a really big day in SSP. It is ticket sales day for alumni who have attended previous events of ours, and they'll be able to buy their tickets to Let's Flamingo Beaches on that evening. And I'm going to have a lot to do leading up to that point, so I don't think I'm going to write it all in my planner, but definitely I think we're going to do it at 8 maybe. Saturday I need to do a bunch of things as usual. This little sticky thing is from Erin Condren, by the way, if you were wondering. Sunday there is a football game. My husband's team is back playing, and then we have a planner meetup that afternoon as well, so I'll be gone for quite a while for that. I think I'm gonna put it in the middle here because meetup goes from 2 to 5. And I have a sticker for that too, from Adorably Amy Designs. I think that's it for my big things for the week, so I'm going to put in my full boxes. Alright, so full boxes are in. And I need to put this as us down. Alright, so I'm trying to remember if there's anything else. Oh, I need to return some library books. I need to, maybe I'll put like a, yeah. I liked having a little spot last week for daily habits that I wanted to make sure I was sticking to, so I'm going to put that back here. Alright, and then I know I have birthdays this week. I think there's a couple. I like having this blue glitter check, or this little box here, because I feel like it helps break up some of the pink that's all here. It's very pink here, which I love pink, so it's not a problem that it's pink. I just feel like I want to create some balance. So this sticker is, these stickers are just a little bit too difficult to use with the nails. Okay, so I have washi. I need to decide if I want to use the washi from this kit or not, and I need to figure that out. I think I'm gonna not put this washi. It's really pretty, but I just feel like it's a little bit too much for me personally, so I'm not gonna use that. I did pull Simply Gilded washi and I'll use that instead. And definitely I'll do the blue down here, but let's see. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so this is all that I have to fill in right now. I'm doing this plan with me a couple days sooner in the week than I normally do because we're going to be at that wedding tomorrow, and I'm just afraid to wait till Sunday when my video needs to be up on Tuesday to make sure that I have enough time to do it all. So I'd like to be able to just come home on Sunday and just have to worry about editing, not editing and filming. So make sure everything is in frame. My supplies are out of the way so you can see how it all came together. I really love this kit. This color palette is really nice because it's a little bit different from the fall kits that you normally see. There's a blue and the orange and like a kind of brown thing happening here, but there's also a fair amount of pink, which I think we don't see quite as often for these fall kits. So I really am happy with the way that it looks, and I'm excited. So if you have any questions about anything in this kit or things that I did or choices that I made, feel free to drop them in the comments for me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here and you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. The more subscribers I get, the more YouTube helps people see my content, and that just keeps motivating me to keep doing videos every single week. I usually post my videos on Tuesdays, and then any other kind of videos kind of come up whenever I have time for them. If you've been a long-time subscriber, thank you for coming back each week and watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I hope you have an excellent week. And if you are in Sunshine State Planners and are going to be at the meetup, I can't wait to see you. If you're thinking about it but kind of on the fence, I highly encourage you to come. We're gonna have some tricks and treats, so some goodies, maybe some little games and stuff like that. And I think we're even encouraging people to dress up, not like in a full costume unless they really want to, but even, you know, little unicorn headband or something like that. If you wanted to, you know, do something fun for Halloween, we're encouraging that. So that is all, and have a great week. Love you all. See you back next Tuesday.